Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a catch up on what I've done in this apartment so far. We've got a bit of furniture building, a bit of organizing, and then taking down all the Christmas decorations and doing a lounge dining room reset. So if you are interested in seeing what I've been up to over the past few weeks, just keep watching. This sideboard buffet is from a new range from IKEA. It is a budget storage range. They've got a TV unit, a bookshelf, and a sideboard buffet. It looks a little bit like the white media cabinet that I've used in my house for the last 5 or 6 years, the King range. That's why I picked it up, so I thought it would like mix and match really well with it. It is a budget range, so it's not super great quality. It looks quite minimal, plain, white, and it just goes with everything that we've already got. I don't like it as much as the old buffet that we had, but that one was very big and bulky. It was really heavy, difficult to move, and I don't think it would have traveled well because it was on the cheaper side. And although it looked nice, it was in that darker walnut color, which didn't go with the majority of the rest of the furniture that we kept from our old apartment moving into this one. Next up on the agenda is to unpack all of the decor. I had this packed up. It was downstairs in the garage for a couple of weeks, so it did get a little bit dusty. Thankfully, it was in really well sealed containers. These containers I've picked up quite a few years ago now from Kmart. They're great storage containers. They're super affordable. They go really well with any sort of decor, and they are nice enough that you can use them like as hidden storage away in cupboards, but you can also leave them out in storage cabinets where they are on display or in sight. They're just a little bit nicer looking than your stock standard clear or white plastic storage tubs.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
Since our apartment was decorated for Christmas and the holidays from when we first moved in, I wasn't in really any rush to unpack all of our usual decor, and I had decluttered quite a lot from when we moved from our old apartment into storage and then finally moving into here.
We'll have a Netflix marathon.
It was nice to go through and unpack this because this had been, by the time I'd unpacked it, in storage for a good few months. A little bit of background info as to what is coming up. Our upstairs neighbor is an elderly gentleman. He's really nice, he's harmless. He is a little bit hard of hearing though, so he listens to his TV and he enjoys his action movies at about 1,000 decibels. So there's not a lot of sound insulation between our apartments, so when he listens to his action movies, which is pretty much every day, we also listen along.
TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. let the lights go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Is it okay for you, Freddy Bear? Is it okay for you? Got a few things to put away or rehome.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind.
I think we stretched out the Christmas and holiday decorations for as long as possible, and it was time to pack them up because Riley's birthday is in the second week of January. So I like to have all of the Christmas and holiday decorations packed up so that we can focus the house on his birthday, and rather than it being Christmas dragging on, just to have it like for his special time.
To feel this way forever. Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down.
Even though it is nice to get the Christmas decorations packed up and get the house back in order, it's always kind of bittersweet. I always feel a little bit sad packing up the Christmas tree and the decorations because they only get such a short time out each year.
Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running.
I never noticed that before until I watched it back. Riley's just literally taking a nap while we're packing up the Christmas tree. So that is a classic, the things that you see when you're editing back YouTube videos that is too funny.
The walls are listening when we talk. making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights,
Quick, let's run the battery.
each other's eyes.
Up.
There's no one left
Head down.
but me.
Fail.
It's like a made-up
Yeah,
place
there was.
that only we can see.
Crown. Oh yes, there is a.
Wow. Ooh, gangster.
Looking pretty flash.
Yeah. Is there a joke? No, that's the joke.
No, there isn't. What did the sea say to Santa?
Sandy. Chris, what?
Nothing. It just waved.
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Here is a sneak peek of what the apartment is looking like with all of the Christmas and holiday decorations packed up and just a minimal selection of just some basic, very neutral decor. Just trying to keep it very minimal and low key with the decorations and the color palette. I do want to put up a few pieces of artwork, but I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the ones that we've already got, or maybe just try and find some prints maybe on Etsy or Desenio just to put up and just finish off the place. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hang out and watch a few more videos. I'll leave some linked in the description I think you'll enjoy. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.